But you see, you burn the food, you.
Oh, yes.
You. Yeah, they're just having fun. You don't rebond the calbo? No rebond calbo? No. Because I capture you here, it's okay, I can don't know cook.
Why?
You burn. How much is the capital? Your capital is 200. So these are type of people I like supporting. He said his capital is 200, so that's like a $4. I just met this guy here, and this guy here, he's selling this, and they say that his wife is the one who will gather, will collect this, and then that's the way they are living. You know the budget? $4. This, the capital. It's just $4, and he's here under this rain. So I'm gonna do something for him. I'm pretty sure that he has no idea what I'm gonna do. I'm giving this to you. Yeah, for you. His head is hesitant. You don't want? No? No, he doesn't want. This is for him too much money because he's selling this. For him it's too much money. That's what he do. Hey, get this for you. Yeah, get.
Hey, thank you very much.
Thank you, my friend. You see how cute it is? When you get older, you get cute. It's really cute. I like it.
Nandito na yung ano sa Metro Manila.
Ah, that's really
Thank
good.
you.
Oh yeah. All right.
Thank you.
Say hi to your wife, okay?
Unang hirit. Thank you.
He's working very hard, and it's raining. You can see here. It's raining. I don't know how I ended up there. Just coming from the airport and tell the driver stop there. I want to go around, and that's where I found him. All right, Paul. Thank you so much. Yeah, you take care. What's your name? What's your name?
Eduardo. Eduardo.
Eduardo? Oh, Eduardo. Very good. Okay. Wow, that's really good. So, I'm so blessed to meet people like this. I feel in my heart, I feel joy in my heart. That's why I don't go visit Paris or London. I like going in a place like this and have rain on me. And then meeting good people like this guy. Such a blessing. I feel good. So I'm in Daraga. So I'm here. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look for something to eat. I heard they have good food here in Daraga. So I don't know if Daraga is part of Legaspi or not. I have no clue. Look at this guy here wanna hit me. I think rich people. So I'm gonna look for food first.
Uri ko sa pita. Sinabi, pilit na.
Look at this apple here.
Hello.
Hello. No.
What?
Bulalo. Where can I find the restaurant sell bulalo?
Bulalo, near the road.
Near the road?
Yes,
Okay.
but there is no. Why do you like to eat that bulalo?
Yeah, I like bulalo. Beef? Bulalo beef?
Yes,
Yeah, where?
from this side of the road.
What's the name?
What we call Bulaluhan, Kamalig.
Do you know I can get a bulalo? Bulalo.
Bulalo.
Yeah, food. Beef.
Hindi kaya.
Bago.
Where?
That way.
That way I can turn left.
Straight.
It's far? It's far? How many minutes? 20? This guy is telling me to walk 20 minutes. 20. Anyway, this is the market here. How about we go first in the market and then I will go around and see. Yeah.
I'm vlogger.
Yes, how are you?
Small fish. I'm fine.
This is a smoke?
Small fish. Small shrimp.
Smoke?
Yes.
Oh, smells good.
In my flatbed over here.
Oh, I know that. I know that one.
How about adobo and pipino pag finish?
Adobo pipino? You cook?
Yay!
There is no adobo pipino. There's no adobo pipino. They're laughing about my t-shirt. Adobo pipino. So one thing that you can always miss in this market here, so it is beef, because I've seen that the Filipino, they don't raise much cow. That's why they have less of beef meat. Hello. Oh, dry fish.
Yeah. You like?
Good. I like dry fish. I love. Yeah. From the Philippines?
Yeah.
Not from
How about you from?
me.
Yeah.
From Texas.
Texas? Oh.
Yeah.
Nobody but you. Nobody.
Really?
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Wow, a lot of smoked fish. Beautiful. Look at those smoked fish there. Wow, smoked fish. The market is packed with veggies. If you know how expensive these are in America, you will tell. We have cabbage. Beautiful cabbage.
Hello.
Hello. Where can buy bulalo?
Bulalo.
Yeah. Beef in soup? Where?
Maybe in public market.
This is not public market?
No, that this
Oh,
is a
this-
private.
It's your market? You are the boss?
No, I am buyer.
So public market, I go out and go there?
Yes.
Okay. Someone is coming there. That looks like a bed though. Looks like a... Wow. Oh, food finish?
Yes.
Ah. No leftover?
No.
No? So I did this before.
Yes.
Yeah.
I did it before. So put the Joy.
The
Caldero.
food was burnt. So soap is there? Soap? There is soap. But you see, you burn the food, you
Ah, yes.
don't know cook.
Why?
You burn.
No pa, no.
No but
No load.
no load.
I will,
No
I will
signal.
subscribe.
No signal.
No signal. Yeah. I went in Davao.
Damn.
They
You.
say no load, no signal, low bat. No signal,
No signal.
no signal, low bat and no load. Why bring phone? Leave one more phone.
Ano?
I'm going to look for bulalo.
Bulalo.
Yeah.
Sinabawan.
On the street, bulalo.
Ano yung bulalo rin?
Name?
Name. Ay, gawan dyan.
Mani, mani.
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 Mani. That's mani. Peanut.
When that is boiled, delicious.
Yeah.
That's really cool. I wonder what is this? It looks like a beans or beans. Oh, that Eduardo again there. Eduardo. Oh, where can I find the bulalo? Here. Bulalo.
Market.
Market, public market.
Public market.
Next day. Thank you. So I'm still looking for food called bulalo. I love it. I ate it in Manila and I'm still looking for it. And these people are just dancing here. Don't worry, the camera is looking this way. Yeah, they're just having fun.
Ano na? I-post mo na yan.
Where I find the bulalo? Yeah, public market?
Oh, public market.
No, him said 20 minutes. Where is the public market? Where is pub? This? Public market? Here? I go where? Where I enter? Where? I enter here? So, I'm looking for these things bulalo, but I just got blessed with someone there. And the crossing here can be daunting. Look. Look, you see? So they told me here I'm gonna find the bulalo here. These bananas here, don't miss. They're number one. How much?
60 per kilo.
I can finish 60. I'll finish 2. How much? 60? Yeah. Okay, I will get the kilo. Mama?
Mama lang dito na.
Mama? Hey,
Ate Joy. Ate Iwan.
this one is good. Can I get
Quality.
this good quality?
Yes. Quality.
Can I get not everything? Can share with you. So, can I rebond my hair?
Yeah, your haircut?
No, rebond.
No, you cannot rebond.
Why?
It's too short.
It's too short. You don't rebond the calvo? Rebond no rebond calvo.
No. That's only haircut.
I pay you first. Money first. She's asking if I'm from Iraq and Iraq.
No, it's a Philippine.
Iraq is in Philippines?
No.
She's saying I'm from Iraq.
Why? She look like Iraqi?
No, she say me.
Ah, okay. So much.
Oh yeah, no problem. Let's have a banana party.
Yeah. You like banana?
Oh yeah, I love this banana, especially this small one. They're number one. Oh, they're good. But I'm looking for bulalo. You told me I can get bulalo here.
Bulalo?
Yeah.
Where? I don't know where the bulalo is.
It's closed? Oh no. So hope for bulalo is going down. No bulalo. Today is Sunday. So yeah, no hope. This fruit here, they call them mangoust. Mangoust are really good. They're really good. Wow. Is that okay? What I take, I can share it on my YouTube channel here. Yeah. Okay. I like asking for permission.
I will follow you.
Just in case. Yeah, it's very easy. Clever.
I read it.
You read it?
Okay.
Perfecto. So no bulalo. Let me go here. They say every place is closed. I got you there. Hello, bro. Where can I find the bulalo?
Bulalo?
Yeah. If I can't find it, you're gonna cook it. Yeah, no? You cook? No. Okay. Where they sell meat? Meat market.
No.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay. I think I'll go here. Hello, po. I have a question. Where can I find the bulalo?
Bulalo.
Yeah, I'm looking for bulalo.
You have a map? Bulalo.
Map? If I can find bulalo, I buy you cook. You know cook bulalo? I think you know to cook adobo pipino.
Adobo vlogger to Filipino.
So no bulalo here? No.
Over there.
What's the name?
Bulalo is
You think I go Legaspi? You think I go Legaspi, I go to bulalo? Legaspi? Yeah.
this I have bulalo here. You're right.
What is the name?
You're fine. There is Binitayan only.
Militar?
Binitayan. Binitayan.
That's the name of the restaurant?
No, it's a location.
I can walk?
Okay,
How many minutes?
45 minutes.
45 minutes. Tell you to walk 45. Anyway, thank you so much. I will go to look for bulalo. I'm looking for bulalo. I can't find bulalo. Yeah, no bulalo. No bulalo po. Where? They say then.
That's Ami meat shop.
Yeah. Bulalo? Ready to eat? Sekida. So, how much is how much kilo?
350 ang kilo.
350? Okay. So, I'm desperate.
Hello, welcome to my vlog.
I feel so sad. I can't find the bulalo.
Bulalo.
Yeah, no restaurant is selling bulalo.
Bulalo, there's in Albay.
No. Do you think if I go Legaspi, I found the bulalo?
Yes, Legaspi.
Where?
In the middle.
Which restaurant?
Mesa. SM.
Yeah, this is SM.
SM.
SM, Legaspi.
What name of restaurant?
Mesa.
Mesa?
Yes.
Yes,
Mesa.
there's plenty of bulalo there.
Jerry's Grill. There is also in Jerry's Grill.
They have a bulalo? Okay. I'll go look. But they told me in Daraga they have the best.
Are you a blogger?
Yes, I am. Yes, sir.
From where are you?
Adobo Pipino.
From where?
From Texas.
Houston?
Texas. No, not Houston.
Texas.
Houston, 3 hours from my home.
From here.
SM. Okay. I'll go SM. And you a couple?
No?
That one. That's my husband.
Very, very tall. Wow. Your kids are tall too? Stop. Slide. Ah. Give your kid the bulalo. It's gonna be. It's gonna be. And it's okay because I capture you here. It's okay. I can declare it. And my YouTube channel is this one. It's called the Clippers. This is the husband. He might be the tallest person here. And that is the wife.
America?
I'm from Texas, sir.
San Antonio?
I don't like eagles. I couldn't find the bulalo. I was looking for bulalo, no bulalo. Where? There? That building there? What's the name of restaurant? Yeah, what's the name? How many minutes walk? Really? Are you sure? Bulalo? Yeah. They told me I go SM. I got the bulalo. Is that true? Yeah. The police here are like a police in America, back home. They're very nice. Nice people. I think, oh guys, time to cross. Perfect. Good job. Thank you so much. Wow. Look at this traffic there. And the popular drugstore Mercury all over in the Philippines. So I was looking for this bulalo. You see, you gotta pay attention. So you step here and here. Just okay. So we couldn't find what we're looking for. Desperation. Your friend?
My friend.
Your friend? How old?
15.
15. And you how old? 19? Oh, 30. Okay. That's a 15 friend. 15 years of friend. So friendship, the years don't matter. The second tallest person in Legaspi. Look.
It's very
Very
tall.
tall.
The Filipino.
Yeah. You Jollibee? Yes. Make you.
What about
Inyo, transit Tagalog.
So if I eat Jollibee, I got tall? Jollibee? So saying Jollibee make you tall. Okay. So I just conclude the day of today. And back now to my residence where I'm gonna stay for 2-3 more days.